That's how I
I'll eat one after you.
Yeah. That's how they smell.
Wait, Angela. What?
That's dog food.
No,
isn't
it's
it?
not. Shut. I'll even eat one too after you eat yours.
So,
You eat your boogers all the time. Why can't you just eat some chocolate pebbles?
so listen, why? So listen, what did you tell her?
She told me, I don't even know. That's why I said what. I said, why is she plugging her nose? Let she eat it. Yeah, why do you eat your boogers and you can't eat chocolate?
But why do you have to eat? Why do you have to eat?
It's really good, Daniela. Try it. You don't have to try it. Alright, give it back. She's not gonna give you gum. Just eat it. It's really good.
I like those. Those are my favorite.
Isn't it good?
Spit it out.
Yeah!
Spit it out. What's that dog food? There you go.
Oh my god! Yes.
No.
No, it wasn't. Can I eat it? No. Really? Yeah. It's cat food. I'm not eating it.
It's cat food?
Yeah.
Now you're gonna become a cat.
Should.
Look at. I'm wearing my face!
What'd she say? What'd she say? I don't know.
Does that taste good though, the Mentos? Yeah, these are good. These are good. Yeah. They're good. Strawberry.
Oh my god.